could go back to that day we met, I probably would just stay in bed. You run your mouth all over town, and this one goes out to the sound of breaking glass on my Range Rover. Pay me back or bitch, it's over. All the presents I would send, fuck my friends behind my shoulder. Next time I'ma stay asleep, I pray the Lord my soul to keep. And you got me thinking lately, bitch, you crazy, and nothing's ever good enough. I wrote a little song for ya, it go like do, re, mi, fa. So fucking done with you, girl. So fucking done with all the games you play. I ain't no tic-tac-toe. Save the X and O's on another note. I'm do, re, mi, fa. So fucking done with you, girl. So say the X and O's on another note. I'm ghost.
Screw up. Don't rate me, baby, don't play me. I'm a black beater like Jimmy Sway Lee. Screaming fuck 12 in a brand new V. Just bought a timepiece for my new dime piece. Well, I'm ballin', don't stall it, put your all in. Stop talking, gotta crawl in for you walking. On the weekend, spin the front end and the back end. Booty so big, got me thinking about a lap dance. Pull up with this bitch, like damn, what happened? New thing, new frame, new eyelashes. Brand new swag, wearing brand new fashion. That's what you get for doing all that capping. Black belt with me and we interstate trapping. This'll make an old legend start back rapping. This'll make an ex-cunt start back trapping.
Cholo. Raindrop, drop top, smoking, no cooking, the hot box. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Cooking up dope in the crock pot. We came from nothing to something, nigga.